How's it going, y'all? Rowdy Riles back with another video. We are coming at you with more Power Rangers Lightning Collection, of course, because we are rounding out another team today, one that we finished multiple times. Of course, I'm talking about Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, but we finally have the Ninja Blue Ranger, Billy Cranston, who I did nab for a pretty good deal as far as his price is going right now. It's pretty crazy. Billy's always hard to get, but I managed to snag him for under $30, I think, so that's good compared to what he's going for, like I said. But yeah, super excited to finally have all the Rangers from the 1994 movie. So with all of that being said, was it 94 or 95? I don't know. But with all of that being said, let's take a closer look at the box, then we'll get this bad boy open. Taking a closer look at the box, as you can see, we have Billy there and some artwork on the front. Going down, Power Rangers Lightning Collection, Mighty Morphin Ninja Blue Ranger. On this side, we have a continuation of the artwork from the front. Just goes down to the bottom, and it says Mighty Morphin Power Rangers there at the top. On the back, we have a promotional shot of the figure. That accessory does not match the one in the box, but on the bottom it just has all that legal stuff. Artwork on this side one more time, but with all of that being said, let's get this bad boy open. Finally. I just cut the tape on the bottom there, as you do, and I can pull Billy on out. And there's our Blue Ranger, finally. And that's a really good David Yost head sculpt right there. Here is our Mighty Morphin Ninja Blue Ranger out of the box. As you can see, I did not change any accessories yet, but he has on that season 3 head sculpt where they're fully masked. And yeah, he's the wolf, which is on there nicely. I don't really have any errors other than some kind of loose and kind of tight joints. A little bit of missing paint on his sash on his waist there down at the bottom, you can see. But other than that, I think I'm in the clear. I haven't swapped the heads yet because that seems to be a problem with Ninja Blue, is that that tab breaking, or the ball peg, so hopefully that doesn't happen when I swap the heads out. Checking out his height, you can see I swapped one of the heads, but we'll talk about accessories in a minute. He stands at 6 1/4 inches tall, so right in scale with the rest of the Ninja Rangers as far as the guides go. So yeah, no problems there. Going over the accessories, first of all, of course, he comes with this head sculpt, which is really good, David Yost, and he comes with 2 fisted hands, one of which he has an accessory for. As you can see, he does have the same exact power effect that the Red Ranger had, and it goes right over his fist. And I did swap one of the head sculpts out as well, which is the one from another one from the movie where their head is kind of partially covered, which is really nice and really cool. And then he also comes with a fully masked head from season 3 of the show and some posing hands. One that's unique, that one right there, and then an open palm, which we've seen before. And that's it for the accessories. Not that we really need to go over the articulation again. We will go ahead and do that. Starting at the head, we have that double barbell, so kinds of lots of movement there. Mine's a little stiff, so be careful. Like I said, there's QC issues on these figures. Shoulders come up that far. There is a bicep cut, and we do get butterfly joints. Double elbows come up all the way, as you can see, going flat. We do have forward wrists on there. The gloves don't turn. There's a bicep cut. There is ab crunch underneath this tunic, but there is a ball joint at the waist. Legs come up that far. We do have drop down hips and a bicep cut. Forward that far, back not very far at all. Double knees, can't kick his own butt because his pants get in the way. And then of course we have a boot cut and rockers on the ankles. So that is it for the articulation. First up, for scale and comparison, here is the finished team of the Mighty Morphin Ninja Rangers with Billy in the middle, but they are all the same height. They're all on pinless bodies. The guys are all the same height. The girls are all the same height other than their hair. So yeah, it works perfectly. They look great. I'm so happy to finally finish this team. It took me a while, but I got them all for a decent price. And here they are with Kat as the Pink Ranger instead of Kimberly. So if you guys wanted to see that, there's both Pink Rangers. Next up, here he is with a Putty and a Tango Warrior, 2 of their most common adversaries from the show. And the Tangos were in the movie too. Almost forgot, here he is with the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers normal Blue Ranger from the regular release. For some Marvel Legends, here he is with Daredevil. This costume is coming back. They're doing a new run of Daredevil set in the 90s, so that's cool. And a Hand Ninja, both from Marvel Legends. For live action Marvel Legends, we have Deadpool and Negasonic Teenage Warhead with Billy. Here he is with SH Figure Arts Ultraman and Harley Quinn, and our Mafex Harley Quinn from Suicide Squad. Here he is next to Clone Commander Obi-Wan for Star Wars Black Series, and the White Tiger Zord, sorry, just for S's and G's. And then lastly, for some classified series, here he is with Baroness and Storm Shadow. So with all of that being said, y'all, I will say that the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Ninja Blue Ranger, it's totally worth it because he was totally worth it to me. We finished another team, and it's one of my favorite movies from growing up. And if you haven't seen it, you should totally watch it because it's great. It's like you should totally watch my other videos by liking, subscribing, just like you should totally watch my other videos by liking and subscribing down below. Make sure to do that because I do love to see your beautiful faces in my analytics coming back to see my videos because I do enjoy making them for you. Otherwise, why would I do it? So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below as well. Tell me how your day is going. Make sure you check out my 1,000 subscribers giveaway down in the description down below. As always, I love you. I will see you next time, and bye-bye. Mwah.